pick some kind words for inside this issue. For everything when you talk. And your wife, he told truth from one side. I wish I would tell her. The other side, he not told truth. I never said or say, I give you my husband mama video. No. You don't watch the video. Go and watch the video. He did it. Now she's saying, not be even that one herself, another one every day will make me call your husband. Now that video for the time, she not watch her. He said, he husband mama picture, video,
okay.
Okay. Or we where here. Go and watch the video. I fear you where I wash her. I want to know where you or suddenly in a video go in. That was you talk true for this. He said Mama Kevi. Even your husband shocked. I see he doing his there because he never know. Because why? Or soon he go living on your big way. Daddy, you don't fuck up, you don't fuck up.
Oh, come on.
Put on that way.
Oh, go gaga.
Because why I say you don't fuck up? Why you be say if elderly person offend somebody based on his capacity or how he take day, you know go lie, say okay, sorry. Why? All these things they happen. I dey call you, I know they call you. I dey call you. Now make I tell you.
Or take Kevin Oku.
If you know, see it fuck up already. They even see I don't want to talk, but I will still talk because it's like talk. What did it happen?
Wagwan.
At this point, I see your doings when your wife talk out for years saying.
No, not the color and wife. Frank never married.
They talk say.
Frank never married. Not the color and wife. Frank not get wife. A winner. Na Papa Kevi, na he be husband to Mama Kevi. E Frank Yahoo Eginowa. Not be wife.
Mama Kevi. You understand? You shocked for that place because you never see what did happen. I see your doings. Now make I talk say, he talk truth for there because you never watch. Then you say waiting me talk. For me, yes. My last story this social media since when I did that live video, live where I become a presenter in my family.
So, Frankie, Fakomozo.
They try to see that day.
When I already
already pre-proof.
Ogonga boy Frankie. Ogonba.
So as the talker, now cause I waiting up when my godfather no one post the video. You understand? Now cause make promise they say make them not worry. My godfather go post the video. You never did. You not post yes, all video. But that one with me where I take hug your wife, that shit where I take hug your wife. You not post that.
You not post that one.
Not to say you put everything was on social media. This is guilty conscious. That means you really have the video according to DJ Goat.
Yeah. Francomozo. Wahon be say. Obi yen ga to yo. So Frank, udano babe. When I want more ye, then the escotaba buenyana. E wedana. Frank, don't fait talk for video where you do one time. Where you Mama Kevi all you know. He say Mama Kevi, the picture where Mama Kevi put for profile. Now he picking picture. Now he put. Not be Mama Kevi direct picture. The woman put no. The woman put her daughter for profile picture. Where he take the thought to Frank. So now when the time we Frank they reach Mama Kevin house, now he comes to say, na woman of 52 years. Now he can see. Frank quand il ask Mama Kevin say, where the girl? Frank quand il ask Mama Kevin like that, say, where the girl? Where they shout me? Now then Mama Kevin come out and say, now she they shout you now. Meanwhile, when Frank reach there, Frank don't already see Mama Kevin first daughter. Or in our wuyao. Yegi setting. What's here video? Or no yawa who more wije.
You say you were everything were happy, you put all of them for live video, you put all of them. La. You never did.
Ogyomba. Frank Ogyomba. Lare. Lare nous do iye-eki. Nous do iye-eki na. Egene se ya hawe e Frankie huwe otien Kevin Oko. I dey suspect Frank. A Frank way. I agree to good morning. All the way from Better City. God bless you. I know say Frank, a Frankie Yaka way again. Because a Frankie ya odegi iko. Iye Kevin ove kon. When I ane e mege video. We are going the Frankie alawo wa. What force over mu ne Frankie? Iye Kevin. What force over mu ne e Frankie? The Frankie ga ho. We no. Why you go allow that Ozuo? A Frankie, no ma mori. Why you allow her to enter your house? To where I could not know about that. Since where Ugwalike Frank.
Where? Just some man never know start to muya. Set to see. What say away if you put the adulta.
Oba way. Frank is sleeping. Mama Kevin, first daughter. Frank na wo mo yi. Frank na wo mo yi. Oh, salut, bois. Go. That means where you can get what be man one when. Oh, I call you la bedi. Oh, coco. Wa. Enya wana ki. Frankie. Okay, we get where ye Kevin ma mwe kono we. We na you we te mwe kono we.
Man, I drive here. I drive na ku me ma eno track eno Imwe video. So yo me e bona ba ko to me live video no wa me ni ya we. Ina this get. Wa mo mwe we la dia. Na mo kono we na no ma ke o na.
Frankie. Frankie veut buter. Frankie veut buter. C'est bon. Hey, Jimmy. On même dans. On même dans au moment où so, when you get where iye-eki ola monoposine. Eh, when you have fire over here, no ho. Over here, no ho, we were zanzan. No wonder if they go there. E Frank Jevabi. E wina. Owa. Oga iwa ba. Fiai. Wadiye. Owiye Frank. Ori owiye Kevi. E no DJ Kevi. E Frank na lava. Rodovi yi. No ho. Wahonia. E se confirm ene nyawe. E Frank huwe. Owiye. O tie Kevi no ho no dion. Isalobo. Okumbe fam fitomi. Ese do gbe magwan. Ese confirm we e Frank huwe o tie Kevi no honi o we o e Frank huwe o tie Kevi no honi o dano babena o iye Kevi we ki aseti biene e Frankie we na kwe no labo wa etu ya anu he na bada etu ya we the Frankie ya hu we bada then when I be con when I con the war gabon wenia e Frankie ba hu we hu omo e Frankie na ba hu we hu omo ye Kevi udinji iye-eki ese wesi na do vo o na wa o da emi kere o ga iye-eki
Platform from this year now. Anybody know how to drop a
ga emi kere ga iye-eki Boya uva. Iye-eki kon. Iye-eki wa pasi ai. Iye-eki wa ari inwina. Ke no ya bonisan. Iye-eki vi ari to no ya bonisan. Oba so mo ai ne Frankie. E Frank ki wa ya dwene gbewo wa. Isalo. Oh, never. E Frank wo mo uye. Hello, love it. Hello.
Pardon.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning, sir. You just say what did that get it, or you just say not truth. Let's say.
Yes, now. Because one thing, wait. He get the video where Frank do. First video where he and Mama Kevin know each other.
Yes.
Frank talk out for inside the video. Say, where he reached the first day with the Mayo meet. Say, as he reached there, he could ask Mama Kevin, say, where did they? He said, because Mama Kevin put the gay pistol. Now Mama Kevin put for profile.
Yes.
Okay now. Now the gay picture. Now Mama Kevin put for profile. Take the talk to Frank. So as Frank can't reach there, Frank can't see it today. Frank talking for a video say he can't ask the Mama Kevin say where the gay. He said he can't tell her say na pikin be that one. Say na she na the right Frank talking. So from there, because Frank had already did that picking body from right from time. So as Frank reached there now, no option. Now me Frank come begin the fire. Mama Kevin way bright their head.
Yes.
So maybe from there, because yeah, they there. Because Mama Kevin do mistake. Mama Kevin no for the Allah man they come that kind of house like that. Where you know so you get that kind of daughter for house.
But that was you know verse. You know say na godfather for what did they call
before
Jesus.
former god daughter.
Yes. Not be with her say the God if that man they do that kind what you say supposed to tell her. Say whether that is really apple. What you say supposed to tell that man say bros what you they do say no good though not try am again.
Yes sir. Esther
No tell
no Esther tell her Esther no go.
Oh, you be mad.
Fi come out for me their cut camo.
Wait, brother, because say quarter come out. Because brother, wait. You know, say because say quarter come out. Now make us say because I say the boy it the saga many people make you see saga with lie. Miss everything with that get they talk na lie. You know.
Okay. Waiting I say they talk na lie.
You know say bros wait. You know say that bros wait. You know say that girl na no get daughter before.
Yes.
You know, say this can't see where I say they talk so. Now, so say talking for what did they call her? For no give body.
No be this girl for France. This girl for France.
Nora. At that thing, where that girl talk for no give body, everything that lie.
Okay, not be the same thing. The girl for it France now, okay, by jury. No, not be sitting for my body. That girl, Ijore no gyomba. Not be the same thing. Ijore sit up for my body. Ijore de my house. Ijore don't enter from France come Germany before. Or come Finland before. Where Ijore put on for man. Talk and say, me they do that thing. Ijore de my house. So, this one so, essay. Oh, this one so, essay. Okay, if Frank love your care, or take Kevin no money, why he be say Frank go essay house? Frank go record essay house. You call person your goddaughter. You go there, essay children. Essay go bath there for bedroom. You're recording the children nakedness. We're not supposed to swear for this boy.
But I'm not saying why we would say not the quarrel. We just go there, not be visit, not be say caller.
Visit, yeah, visit. No, I say not caller. Okay, if you say okay, I say caller. I say not caller. Frank, get right to video essay children with nakedness.
Because bros, again, what than last year, the video where me see, wait to not verse, bros. Last year, where Mama, me see the video where they do Mama Kevin, what did they call her Frank?
Where they go house? Where they go say house? Yeah.
Wait, yes. Where they gotta go there? Where they call they do live video? I see that. What that one say they talk.
No.
Who said the food where I said they cook? What that I not call no me, I not call talk like because na woman like me, you understand? I say no cover. Me see everything.
Not be that video.
I don't know, but the one where my
he said the video where I said they talk. Where they take come. As they come, he said na husband. Nice surprise him. Then this Frank and Mama Kevin can't say husband say not say we might just surprise him. Now say husband now he open door for them. Now that voice as it enter the passage there where I say yeah now I say it with that happiness say see surprising he got father and Okono Robodo, Mama Kevin. Not be wife now. Brad price they head.
Put money for your head.
No, they don't do pepper then. The one your pepper no get that time now. 91, no, you not do marriage you. You just use that beat they do one for inside their bed there. You just do one, they just post that. You not do. Then not let them do one. Even when they even say they want one for Nigeria. He said they tell Frank say bride price they the woman head.
Okay, they no fit do one. No.
Say they not go fit do one. They not. See, Mama Kevin never return bride price, so they not fit do one. And court marry still dey Mama Kevin head. He never cut that one. You know see as okay. Oh, yes, sir. He do for abroad. He still do for Nigeria now. Now the wedding day. Let me put for this title so now. Now my Kevin and Papa Kevin be this one now. They are wedding day.
The man not day life again. He's supposed to cancel the one with day.
He no cancel one.
Why? What he call the wait?
Now he be waiting. If a big quarrel between Frank and this woman that time. See, you say bride price they your head for Nigeria. Court marriage is still your head for abroad. So now that happiness where I say take jump, hug Mama Kevin, say hey godmother. Frank you're on, you just carry phone, you're the video.
That girl they talk lie because when we not they believe that guy.
No, this will not be lie.
The saga we is saga enogie.
No, all those one. We know say all those one nah lie because I say no reach enogie house. So that one a lie. But what happen between?
Wait, me I see ask you one question. I say go what did they call that just Mama Kevin.
Mama Kevin tell say everything.
Wait, bros. All of us will be woman be bros. You understand? I say no go this Mama Kevin house. Now Mama Kevin and this umenwan.
The umenwan who done about umenwan. Ogyoba. The umenwan. Almost war.
Umami me ya call. When me take call, me not they call
no
people.
Because on my platform you dey. So if you go you will call on that name say name. So what it be on umenwan? Since 2016. Okay, wait. If this boy gets sense, since 2016, Oma, fight a bit, you know, fight document, you know, fight for work, you know, fight for woman, get where go born for her. You just day from woman house to woman house. Or on a man. No, all of them, when me mention all of them, why he be say, he no fit choose anyone for inside. Since 2016, we take abroad. Walk. Oh my God, have me a document. Not be only plastic. Be a document. You can get 3 months. Vice. Yeah, you can get 6 months. So John now. If yeah, then any 1 month, any 3 months, any 6 months. So John no.
Mama said you go fit give her document now.
Okay. Since there, what you hear? A marriage day you head now. A marriage day, Mama Kevin head.
You go cancel this one. It may just Victor do marriage.
Only Mama Kevin no fit cut am. The man must have paper now. Na one person I dey cut marriage.
Since they don't deport the man go Nigeria.
So they go tell her say they go tell Mama Kevin say make he send the paper, give the man, make the man sign his signature. So Mama Kevin na no say ye boru ne ye rene ye can set the big the man well okay rebe o do sign divorce.
Yes sir.
You know so Ovibo can sign it. Now the court marriage take the Mama Kevin head. Traditional marriage they are here for Nigeria. Franco most one way. Okay, who more who ye?
Frank come out last year, not be last year, no come.
Who more who ye? I said, God bless you. Good morning.
Wait, bros. Me say What is it? Frank come and say that he don't get document.
He want to prepare them. He ona who dana ewe na. Don't repeat on I. If even Italy rejected boy na Italy. Ti en lay here. Okay, di en lay here. Boy is there my set 1 month or no 3 months sojourn. Am I Frank level? Am I Frank Italy? Am I on? Veno ve ya leve jemi 4-story building. E Frank Kesa ve jemi. Ve jemi a wadi poteri. Overnight 2 o'clock in the night. Now police they boss Frank for whom my house where he dey. 4-story building. Now Frank for jump. Now he wrong go Italy. Okay, is he reach Italy? Why not take lawyer? Why not do shorting? May take lawyer, gather small money. May take lawyer. May lawyer give him 3 months sojourn or 1 month or 6 months. He go, they don't want to take the work. Work, no one work. Only man, women, different women. All money we collect for different women hand. He just a build house for Shagamu. For Shagamu, woman collect them. Eche wa bihoyi. O bihoyi be mo wa. Ehi mo wa. Emi. O bihoyi emi bi. Emi. Etiage e fon momo. Da money ye gijena. No wo mo huye.
They're not the juice power. That one, they're not the juice power. They do documents.
Okay. Okay. Domaye e papa ya we the plastic. Vos manaye e papa ya wait 6 months or 3 months. 3 months of vice. Me si you power to that one. 3 months any. 6 months any. Okay, you want ure obari iye-eki. Obari iye-eki ni court marriage they ahead. Marriage they ahead for Nigeria. Rudovie no honi oga jeva. Ah, the lady wa we see her na oni ari wina. Oh, wa here fa bo wa. O sa lo boa.
Obi no honi
Big girl no.
He will front the Kogada do live videos.
Okay.
Now that 2 boss.
Na big girl. Frankie, I want to go.
Did that get the work?
I want to go.
But that may not believe I said they talk like.
I was fucking about go. They no lie. Who say Frankie marry? If Frank can't you more with you? My sister. Who say Frank? Who say this also? You know say on answer te more with you. Wọ́n ní òkú nífà kìí fi ọ̀yìn wọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀. Wọ́n ní òkú nífà kìí fi ọ̀yìn wọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀. Ìkò ní rọ́wọ́dọ̀. Ọ̀yà ahò. Ọ̀gùngùn à. Ẹ̀tọ́ stegẹ̀. Since 2016. How many years now? Nífà kìí àlàwé bò. You not go see one company here say, Frank, don't fair work for here. Say, maybe now 6 months you spend for here or now 1 month. No place, you know, they say now here, Frank, for work. Why you very well? You better go back to Nigeria now. Sisi, Abun Fiwe, when you fear me. No, one more we no, be over bon, you're bad. Frank, you know, you're bad. Oh, wow, tell your work. Why feel you no get? Why making a fit beggy? Oh, wow, who is getting why? Because Oriye come anywhere, a de seti mwe koni. Onaba la vie ebe. Yete o de sisi ye kavima seti mwe ko niye get on na mwe ko niye. Je Frank ma wo ya bon. E Frank seti mwe wa no riopo yoa. Frank no go fit rent house. Me pi woman. He me say Frank must stay woman house. Now people like this Frank who dana away dana. Now that they bring shame to men. Now they are eze everywhere. If they do video, he go to sleep in it. Who dana babena? No, be boy. Obviously, no. They get their language now, where they speak.
No.
They get language where they speak. Because they speak Bini, down on Babe, or no bad dana.
Na Bini na papa for Bondena.
No. Because now village they for Bonden, but because they can't see Bini, so they come Bini. Now this boy they speak Bini. This boy never speak a language, unless maybe if you want to talk to people for phone, maybe if you do live video, you want to talk to people for village. Now they speak their language. This boy never speak their language. Do video one day. He go despoil Bini name. Who say now to say na Bini boy? Frank never reach to rent house for abroad. Okay, Kere Bob boy na. No, one more we na. My sister, this boy never reach to rent house. Make woman. You're the truth.
At the year that I will not say rent house now.
One room way that woman with the America. We come late. Now that one they pay for the one room for them before. He rent one room for person hand. Now one room midday that time. Now that one they pay the house rent for them every month. So you get that one play not come walk again. He could look for another woman. Now he could take family Mama Kevi. Because he don't look and say, he not go fit rent house. Obewe, okay. Obewe, I go Obewe. He had Obewe boy.
The Krefaki is stay, you know.
Oh, we Kevi.
Okay, why don't you stay?
Hey, he na hey, he
because me we Kevi can wait fancy or Yare.
That time, where that woman wait there America, they pay house rent for her. We rent one room for her. Now friend the waka they come, go to see the woman that time. Oh na Yahoo, you know what? Okay, now, sissy, you have only separate, you may go, as already, only doing where, be like say, if they use the money, you still get another, a day where they follow. So, now that one can withdraw. So, okay, no. Be like say, this boy, you want to do mission through. Now, if I cut a pack, a luggage, go down one place. You go sit down, agipa. Uwaro woku. A devil ben where you they pay light bill. A devil ben where you they pay house rent. Since 2016, the fact ya la webo. Over dozoa. Small boy. No your man you say. Rude uhe de denawu. Oh yeah, your man. This boy is 32 years. Frank, 32 years old boy. Who did you? Who did you, Frank? Ajayi. Good morning. Ajayi. Yeah, me too. What he go o to no to e boy na balada do kwopa ne e Frank no hu da na rovier the media which woman all Bini women all the fact na mu rovier error na urewebo okuna debet na yamwera yoto shame on you obewo be family we who down babe you see they call yourself boy When you put that in na where you to. They call yourself boy. Ou la we bodo ho ho. No be over bon. No woman wiye. Iye-eki got married there ahead. Traditional marriage there ahead. O ma fe ko panu ya gba le ge. E ge Sarah. Nyon guess. We ge ni amu we o. We e spam you we low be. Ona ya gba le dide negi biye.
Epa la mo me soto ni a comment yo wo toto.
Okay, where's it?
Ni a comment yo toto. Where's it?
We e spam you we low. Una iko ya gba le didi so that na mu a we gbe ado we yi we didi no. As your marriage school, ne kwe mu iviere we to village school. Hey, salo boy. They say Edo people not the door. They're not the door. Why this boy can't door for abroad? Why? Why this boy can't door? Just come abroad can't door. Ou ve zi in ou ve di agbi. E deve ben we a. Deni ve ya gwa le wan erare. Ewo. Yeni ye kevya wa ya rahe wa yo tohe. Ewo bazi ye ve di agbi. O ma vezi we why I call the lawyer? We are 30B. Have me 1 month. Sojourno. 2 months sojourno that they give for Italy. 3 months that they give. 6 months that they give. No ba be stashi no. Wario ekwe do bebe o kan 32 years old. What no matter what you say. Rude didi. Rude uhe didi. Mama kefi a receive salary. Oui. Rere. O ba ve mioni ye. Oni no, oni ba ve dozua. Wa ve dozua. We magi gwale o wa iso. We so na kon yi. Eri jore wa ve kon. Iho wa iso. Why Jave Avijore na Vavije Kevina do amu wa niria. What I taban ere webo, Make una look for advanced man. If una want to follow man, una will look for advanced man. Iye-eki they spend money for this as well. Ijore they spend money for Ovibo. So okwogawe kiagbi a result in no sin akian. That's I don't understand. I beg. Make me understand though. Okuna bebewu bo. Okuna be 15 years bo. Now the result be this one. Mie or that one. Abi na the spirit course where they carry for road work. Now they affect them. I beg, you not tell me, when I be 15 years, we be agia. That means, give me odabon. Ijore, odabon, mami. Iye-eki, odabon, o mami. Iye-eki na deporter, iye-eki, Runde Frank. Papa Kevi, suppose they has arrest now. If say maybe Mama Kevi go sign the house arrest for Papa Kevi, therefore not deport the man. Yeah, deport he. As they come Mama Kevi, make she come sign for house arrest for him, for the man. He said no. Now they take deport the man. Oh, upon the suffer with the man suffer. And at the man, now he get that house. Where Mama Kevi dey, so he go ni ovi bokuwa vitali orere no. Because the man, ora mwe. E mora mwe. Okay, so on your new page. Okay, essay talk show versus Franco Moswo. TV. Okay. I go session now. I go follow you. Me, I call the hear gist. I go follow you for the page. Me, I call the hear gist. Maybe they bring more come out. Ni maya gbe ohun danu ba benu. Nu e kwa afi olaja kere we kwa afi olaja. O pe ano ho mo huye. Nu gbe o ba bon. No kun gbigbe you woto. No ma eje. No ma eje. We ma we o everybody ma carry. O we deputy. O we deputy na ya mo ma yoto. It's a curse. O we deputy na ya mo e rayoto. You allow woman to buy your father coffee. Evana bona fiwe Frankie. Evani era na wenweri. Era na wenweri no kwa. We wa lord yari omodan. Omodan. You allow woman buy your father coffee. Awano. O we deputy. Okoede the man never, if the man not get children, if the man not get men, maybe the man not born boy. Now family of the dead body, now they buy coffee. But Franco, woman, I buy Frank father coffee. Evani erana giasen within where Frank wa lord yari okay ya wu ya more o de bi mi boya wu e beg wa wu yi ya nia era na giasen bi era na giasen within now so they do now because if they do what did they call her for Facebook name? They call her moderator for TikTok. You get what they call her for Facebook. If you get another person where they help you they manage the page, because France still get access. My not about my page. If you go my page there now, you touch that inbox. You go see my number my page. Now, if this boy, he just get access, maybe if all of them where they control their page before, we give her page before, if they just get quarry, oh yeah, it go just carry. Ne ragi asenvidi. Here o wa no ye iga senbo yamu. You go see come out, they call yourself boy. Ema no ye a platform we ti agiewe ba. Ti adwa agiewe. Ema no la a platform Frankie. Ti aya agiewe. Imagine Agipa baba 32 years old boy. Ofoba debet na ameru we yo to. O maseti we shoroti. Then when I we okwe debet. Awa. Please, women, make una take note. Wani ye egbo kan ya la ewebo. One of my tradition, women, unawe they abroad, we not no tradition. And they tell una today, make una not let money shakuna. If maybe, for example, una father or una mother say, okay, their time don't reach. Maybe God call them. Make una not buy coffee. Woman not they buy coffee. Owe deputy. Ovie nopia or egbe or deputy. Wagie igozuwa. Wase ti demelu. Wati mwe kalopi. Wati levai. Wati mwe musician. But owe deputy. Awano. Era na fie onwere. We wa beu. Era tie na. Gania. O magele beu ne. O beu ne nia. Emoko. O ma bia de webo. Enebe. Ene wina. O ma beu ne Frankie. O beu ne ofone. Ofone. Rego ofo. So now only Facebook to YouTube. From YouTube to TikTok. Oba fo be that mwe Frankie. Ofone nia. E bonera tie nou. Aneru nero ma ya tie bono ma vidi. But okay Frankie, e rana ki ou widi. Mwe bob bay. Ona beto beu. Gania. Wa ho mo huye. Ifu you again say la wo. Why you tell me because again na time o get don principle do. If any gagai. Okay, now you dey come so. Because I dey use the phone take they do TikTok. Okay, be like say na you. Abi, if na you, your digest. If na you, they call me for WhatsApp. Ubakba, uya huo mohu ye, Frankie, ogon ga bwe ye bo. Vene ogun bwe gegena, o wa bwe fo. Oku kya bwe fo Frankie. O saye mere no majore. Vene rate hiase. Okay, na you, okay. Vene rate hiase, era na mwe. Dan ne mini nwewe. O saye mere. So da make rate jore. Yewenia, ofo, umayi jore. Salovwa. Hey. Vana miye, emane. Jore de their name. Mbo se nya jore. Jore nya. Era na wa hia. Era na wa mwe. Jore na. O ma jore. Hell. Ye francomoso. Era na wa mwe. O sa ye mere na. O sa ma yere. Ogbe over webo. Hell. Frankie Gabmowe. Gabmowe Frankie. Dano babe Gabmowe. Vene rateba inini. Owe o sa ye mere. E rateba munue. Era ya e. Era te ya no na mwe. O sa ye mere nue. O sa ma ye were. O sa na fiye kebue. Na wonu ya gbe o nya o. Yo we na na gele gbe o. Wa ho mo wuye. Oga je ba vegeni. Again o mai he never pack. Go there direct. Oga ge geni ekun. Oga ge ekun. Ya ga we video. Ekun. Oga geni e. Dana. Ije kevi ma ve code we e boy na. No e ti ho kono robodo. Sisi. Iye kevi robodo. E court marriage wrong. Traditional marriage wrong. O ma e fi ropa. Odo ahu yen gino wa. O na aseti we wo. O mere. Ye kevi, o ma gwalo otuwe. O ma gwale your age mate. 52 years. O ma be gwale o pianore that kind 55. 53, 54, 55. Una with 32 years old boy. We are yakara. We're married with all those small boys. Tia wo mo wiye. Aje kevi. We're married with ibeka gie. Nave de yakara. Tia wo mo wiye. Umae. Aje kevi. Nuna de iye-eki. Vene ese. Wa unu ese. Ime. Yaga ifion bane. Iya do agboma yesi. Abo gboma yesi. Ya ga ikyon ba ni. Ya do agbo ma yesi. Ye nia. We baba be ki jore no kyon ba. Igo ne. Ni rie ni jore e isi e na nia. O ma ye ho no ri laja. Ege no nas iso ege ne. Jore na asie ma go. Rigo me o. Ogi sogi menia. I me gi si ego now. Where ego ya fefe. Make calculator me give me. He go hide himself. Ona ya lei. So, waga kyo bane. Wagi nego. Ero gi fidu wa. Ihe no ke otonwa ke dey. Ihe no lelu wa la we bona ina. Can I flip ye no wa flip ye? E Frankie ogyon ba. Ijore ogyon ba. Wamabu wa flip ye can I flip ye? Wa flip ye can I flip ye? Yanya. E ramamwe bob buene Frankie. Ofone nia. Omoswo. Una denwa wa 216 we ala webo. Ebero. Enwenaro. Umabie. Frank. Umabie ziyo. Los pakam. Espami we. Oye laga. That lady. That girl. We de France. We. Can't record you come at that time. I don't want to talk am. That one talk am say. Your spam. Wa ton e wa you he. Oba vekwa. Ja. Frankie. Umaba oge bue. Umajoge toto. Ew. Ebero no ya joge toto. Ew. O se no ba kwaro buye keviva. Ew. Je kevi. Ageu. O we gbe boy na. We ya seti riebe na. Why dan gwe ya kara he ye kevi. Ye kevi ageu si ai se boy na yi. Ye kevi. U ga honni abmoma boy na. Si ai. Kwe hin gbere. Why you not still give am 1 month? Maybe still give am 1 month sojourn. 1 month eme 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. I'm about to hear where hospitality. Eme rokpana. O maneme bia ma hospitality. O say gani moto na gbegege. Ya yi rose mo hospital. Ona ba le. Gani moto na gbe Frankie. Moto na ro awopa. Oba hospital. This boy you're wrong. He never reach one hour. We just say for live video. Oh we yen leo. What gule? Oh we yen can do nenye ebebo. When because that roshi. Where they take Roshan. Where ambulance take carry am. Since they pretend now because as it they ground now. So we don't know what they do again. Now ambulance take carry am go hospital because they should come for a pocket. No document. So they need to rush am first. Go treat am first. So that if he don't declare, they can ask am document so that they will write am down. This boy you look at. This boy you look at see he dey hospital. Now you back. He just go live video. Oh we leo, you so one hey why you not stay? He said they want ask am sojourn. He not get where you want give them. Oh. So when you people na mon with media. O ba. Franco Moswo. When you people na mon with media. On a derrière qui vous bien. Ou derrière qui va avant. Ou nous on bé fiant. Et vous dana. Est-ce que t'en as bouigné? Toi, wa leva. Wa wuri anenia. Mais imo to na vi bouwe gege. Oh. So imo to na bouwe we do ahwe me media. Hein? Et to wa bouwe fo. Because o konu wo bouwe. Can I fit you know you fit be wow. O kono roboto. We ye o we say. They were a boy now. Undano. Because already we say they responsible. Et yete ye a oni ya have all those loose dog, all those fools. A oni te ya say. Ye mare ese egba ma video. Egba ma video. E ho we economy. Godfather ni ya kebe wane Godfather. Na that one in the tea say na say be. As he come look and say, this lady, they responsible. Because now I say you feel like they call you Godfather. Because uma what where is he? Where is he? I say husband, he get work, he get contract, they pay house rent. Or do you way no better way to have with Godfather? When they go to my level, when they pay tax, how can I with Godfather? Can me not blame me say where can they say now you were no better way with Godfather? Now tell me for blame me say. If you want to Godfather, you go see look for people, men, where they pay tax. Men, where you go look, where you see they say club with your husband, where you say that they get contract, that they pay bills, that they pay house rent. They put woman for house. Okay. This man quality. In what time? Now we go father. Ewe opiano kokoko. Why you go use opiano kokoko ya we go father? For what? Huh? Opiano gwale okono fienda ina. You fuck up. You fuck up. You just be like say you call the like say you fuck up yourself. You still fall your husband hand. Because if your husband, because boy, way your husband get class, pass. Huh? Now you consider say, now be your godfather. Oswo. Ne ti pay labi. A godfather, a godfather na mie. Ni mera mie ne de. Why you were born? A godfather zero ne daughter. A godfather seti reto one ne daughter. Maybe for example, maybe daughter not get house. He go use the money renters give him. Say, okay, take. I pay 3 months for you. From there, continue. Na himiena. Ave godfather ka gwa lige goddaughter ni ai. Imagine if I can you bojo go. If I can you bojo go. Eh when I away godfather. Na. No. They were omana mo frank beki. On winner, they pay tax. Government no one. Go met yon. On a win now, you get contract. Hey, we, you know they woman has the godfather. Oswo. I say I want to TV before we get any. But so ya or carry live video. Oh, we here call me. What told me? Yeah, what get we? Ne go met my level. Ne escort a big again. Non konve miame bu bwebi. E miame oje ba e miame. Ni moto ya beg ne escota. E miame oje miame. E spa mo kan te be light. Ganya. Lost pa kam. Una ya atu eye o che Kevin odjon he. Una ho mo huye. Na wa bu e ba son bu e ba van. Ahu ye homo. Nou be o ba bon. Un dano ba be o kyon ba. Iye ke vi awa mi salary. Ikona ya poni san. Ikona ya poni sen dede. O awa carry salary time. E frank go jo wrong go de. O ya mi e go oni no ozuo. Ozuo. Tikwo mi go bo ya. Wai baro wani. E o kwa rigo no ya. Iman wa so na ye konse he. Wa ye konwo a. Wa are we bo wa sigo no ya. O bia no ma bia na. Iyo rekonde wo a. Ona sigo no vibo. O vibo no ma ti mo ekona. O ma bia no vibo. Una asigo no vibo. Ijore no kyon ba. Iye kevi. O ma bia ne Frankie. Una asigo ne. Waga benebe webo. Oba izwa abi de we no gi wore why so. Wani benebe webo na. No ye gwa lodo o de gegie. Then you repese be webo. O de gegie gwa lo o de gegie. O you go gwa lo o dohian. Iye kevi o you go gwa lo dohian. Big man 500. Big man 500. That be my name for TikTok. Your type big man. You big man. You call that 500, Jonah. Okay. Self-love talking. Okay. Say self-love talking. Say omozwo telan say ego nak a daughter. Join mama. You see, huh? Frank tell self-love. It talking because Frank use my talking. That first day where Frank go Mama Kevi house, first day. Video where Frank do. It talking say Mama Kevi put that daughter picture for profile. He said now that profile now he attract him. As he can reach there now, he can see a didi. Frank use my talking now. You don't come now, yeah. Please, mona power tap for TikTok. Mona power tap. It don't use the man talking. Otai, away no be Mama Kevi. He said no be Mama Kevi. Now he fine go there. He said now that daughter. Now he picture their profile. Now make he go there. He said, I make it go there. So, you want to say, you know, I don't know. Okay. Now you put, I say, now you put Mama Kevi for profile. See one way they take Mama Kevin for profile. I say gold 469. Now you. Now, okay, now Mama Kevin, I put for profile. Okay. This Okion Badana. So you go tell self-love, see, toi ou mo huye. Yewena. O mari vene to toma twene. We wa se ba ya are o te Kevin ogwo. O ya are kebe. Iye Kevin no ozwa. Iye Kevin mami. O mai we ekinoru ori oni hin. Iye Kevin we kon. Ou kongbe va bon. We ma we Frank a hu wo mo. Aye Kevin. We ma we e Frank ga hu we. You don't know before. You don't know before. Hello.
My progress, Alpha.
I greet you.
Good morning.
Good morning. How you doing now?
I did how what about we are doing?
No.
There was I want quick talk.
Okay.
Maybe say me carry me cup. I want to go back because husband don't go was is around 4 o'clock.
Okay.
When I not ask the 3 children we Mama Kevin get why Kevin in na Binini. The 2 children we get, the 2 children na Ibone.
Okay.
You ask question.
Okay. How?
That one where you talk say, na he deport your husband go ask. I even thought I'll come live video today for TikTok. May I call explain? Na easy man tell me.
Okay.
Your husband take go Nigeria. Then I will come tell you everything. 3 children we get. Now don't ask why the Kevin way they inside. Now Bini, the 2 of them be Igbo. Now no surround that place. No notice surround that place.
So Kevin, the beer Bini name. The 2 called the beer Igbo name.
No worry. If I thought I will come live video for TikTok. You see my Facebook, he get the number where you will reach before I feed this enter live video.
Enter that live video, yeah.
So now make us me they follow me because now that place I got even now make us me your bring for that one where your husband take go Nigeria. I go tell you. I thought that they they bring me in a deck bay.
Yes.
Mo can't download the matter way.
So, I say, this boy so, but where nye bera birine? We na ya where awu ne class, awu ne working class, awu no pay B, awu no pay house train, no pay full apartment. We low, we ya gwalo biya. Noro woku, no pokoko, where why are we go father?
You know, Maya we go father again. I ask no. If no give him a page, you understand? So in that way, you know, no marry more. He call me am, okay, go pick, he no go pick. So now I can go meet this Omozwo, no licky period. Now I come meet him. It was so nice. That day, when I meet her, he goes, okay, he will give me his own page. You understand? So, because he will give me his own page. Now he take give me his own page. Then I come for there, open my own. I said, the matter take on. So, the way he did nice to me, I can't call her, Epa, daddy. You understand? For there, he can't call me his daughter. Not beside I go meet her and say, maybe, man, you know, say one person do you something, you must appreciate her.
Yes.
And you know, say, now that thing, now they give you joy. That make her, you know, what you know. You know, say, I'm not there for view, I'm not there for monetization. You know, say, see, the reason why I there for Facebook.
Yes.
So now make him carry this Facebook. If they feel say I go day week because when you know carry my page, I day week. I go down that during that process. You know, now make him be one use that one against me. But fortunately, can they work?
Yes.
Now make you know say he put crown for head yesterday. Say now he want beat me because he don't carry that page.
You not get what you want beat. What you want beat?
I know. You know, because he no expect. He said, you say they defend the wife, say, the wife not they talk, he will not be like person where they talk. But when you come the yes or can't
see where they bring come out.
Then I can go quick carry the page to shut me up.
Because when me want do video yesterday, as I can say me I go play video where you do last. As I reach the page, I know see all the whole video just delete.
I delete them.
I go okay. When I say what's happen because the video where you fair do before. Now that one me get. I go say me I go play another one. I don't see him again before me come here say where you talking. Say you don't carry the page.
Because he does say what he that means his wife really tell me many things.
Yes.
Because she
you must talk out for TikTok. You will talk everything for TikTok.
Now your business here from Commons were not there here. All this thing with me and wife they talk so. You know they are weird. Now make the thing they pay me way. If they can't go the mama can go the leak, man go the leak. You go the talk for us and they gossip me. When you know say your they my and I try to hold myself. I even to the Esther I call this a mozu. You understand? I call this a mozu. I tell her, I say, may I tell you why make it shut up. Because me, I know if you allow you they bring me down, they go say make I they look you. I go talk about you. But I they look on mozu like na better person. If I talk it will affect her. He no say matter them when you consider that they bring they come and one by one. Now my guy come run say now truth to this guy really get to. Now make I come go the rush delete all that videos, go collect the Facebook.
For Ahmed, it is if he carry that Facebook, say you know, continue talk, not talk.
Yes, he continue I go bring
no say na TikTok, TikTok I na go again na, here Facebook.
I never know say TikTok sweet like this, so me just
miss. TikTok, no. TikTok I na go.
I dey miss so. I dey miss. I even dey enjoy myself. That's the reason why I say na TikTok me want to come beat am.
TikTok no, who wa be vie man you do kun. E have a view born.
I will beat people up now.
E have you born. Awano. So because where the thing just happen, me no say Mama Kevi get hand for deportation of that Papa Kevi. Because now because of almost what done now make Mama Kevi no fight him, made the matter come back.
No worry. No worry. I will come live video. I'll tell you, explain to me.
Okay. Who? Now Frank explain to you.
Our police take brief paper, can't give am for us for a papa for the man we fed born for. Where they take brief paper come for am.
Where you born the girl for? The man where you born the girl for?
Yeah, after the guy don't go the prison finish. He don't go the prison finish. Something come sub. Something I don't want to talk now. Yeah. Something sub. So when they take deport the guy, go house. Then after the deport, after 3 years of it, they come bring paper come.
Okay.
He can't say the paper not that useful. I first say the guy already the
Nigeria.
Nigeria. You understand? It tell me everything.
Okay, now that girl where Frank the knack now that girl so the one way that girl senior. Now the say Papa Kevi now he born two of them. I be na le Kevi. Na le Kevi.
You know, say Nale Kevin, you know, say Kevin day, person day with senior Kevin.
We see no one boy did there.
One boy without and that too.
That too now.
You say
One father.
You say Kevin the speed be where pass the two.
The two. Okay. No be this man bon Kevin.
No worry.
Based on saying with Papa Kevin did the same house. If for son give him.
Yes. Now what? Now make us say got say all this one when people they talk say that he deport that deport that one as small. The one we surround that deport na no one.
Oh ya mwe koko ere do ovibo because ovibo re han. E yes no ovibo bebe han. Akon he can't give you the belly. We can't bon.
I say me could not worry. We'll talk.
You let up motin. Warego, I got baby whoop. Well, all of them, we just spend 20 years for road work, 15 years for road work. Abon fiya fefe, abon fiya. Kamuwa, wala webo, wa mwa yema buwa wa we no. To wa you he, ya rego whoop. Warego ni ha.
Yes, I did TikTok yesterday night. I did like live. Yes, I did yesterday. Now make us gonna follow my page, my TikTok, so that man they see me.
Because that boy, that small one, he no resemble, he no carry Igbo hair, nothing, he no resemble Igbo.
I say me gonna not worry. We go gist for TikTok tire today. Any question wanna ask, I go answer all that. You na small with the shopper. Small ma wa hiri with the chopper small
This person, I know say you be now Frank you be or now Mama Kevin now you be so. You were the right comment for Facebook say make it show proof. Which proof you want show? Make show the proof. Mama Kevin take go knock. We carry belle give Papa Kevin.
He said what time today?
No, be you tell him.
Go my Facebook.
No be Mama Kevin tell him.
I will write it on my Facebook the time I want to come to talk. My new Facebook from Set also versus from Komozo. I will write and put for there. The time I want to come to talk.
Because who see that woman? Who see Mama Kevin or anywhere or have a water? Nah. Tia wa all those some of our women we they'll say they marry Igbo. Tia ge nyanya. Tia wa ge nyanya. That's the reason why Igbo man not they marry them. They feel stay with them for some time. They will leave each other. Genya of Igbo marry Jore or for the whole money where you spend for Igwe. Igwe mamufwa. Omufwa. Lege, iye-eki. Ovigbo, when I am weko, when I to force ne. Ovigbo, do I say iye-eki?
I bet me I thought this one may I come down. No, na novice. Why guipa?
Okay.
What I want to be say, man, I not go they go any Facebook or TikTok or may I go the same friend request like the way I come for the map,
big man. So, big man, 500. Yeah.
So I not go they go there. You know why they go there? Not beside I go there. Say me that I take me they follow me or
no.
Me they take no. I want me do me pepper there because now what he do to me will cause all this quarrel.
Yes.
You understand? Now I they do to them say because you they play with my enemy. You want come me go with me.
Everybody now. Yes or no?
You know
walk now.
You know what? Now make me do on to run back with Don Priest with enogie seke. I go meet. Not beside I go meet. They say me the promote me or whatever. I feel grow my page. I want just let and really from Victor. He feel
for body. He feel. Now make you say that voice record for you. Say my money. We send for you. We give my money.
You know say this thing they pay. You know say if you don't want to pay, you go pay now. Why did you do it to me? You understand? That was my point for going for Don Prince. I thought I would go enogie. I would go for Don Prince. I would go for Eddie, my uncle. If I don't do and finish, I will come down. Now, like, I know the fans say my big platform I take promote my face, my page. Now, one just do and make it feel like for body.
You go feel
And I
am.
don't do it.
You go feel am. Oh, bon. Oh, wa be frank.
No, I know they go there. I know they go Don Prince again. I know they go enogie.
Oh, okay, I be frank. Frank, comment so dana.
I don't do what I want to do. My man don't dissatisfied.
She ma the grace of Allah like me.
Even my husband, me not even know say even come out for YouTube they talk rubbish yesterday. Now my husband called tell me say whether me not wash her. I say no. Because when they YouTube, me can't they Don Prince side. And so the whole issue they come. So now bloggers call the car and now my husband called they say, you know your tea from Omozoton. I say no. What he talk? He say me come the dream they see say they follow and the mama go they do husband and wife. So me come they call her. Me, I love her. You know why he talk? My husband see that video. He say your screw pass. He said this one na marry after that. You know why my husband talk say na marry after that? He even tell me say my mom talk that word. He want me in the house. Why I want talk that word?
Your husband a guy man. For a man, for a man. Now he to say if you talk that one, you and your husband come begin the no guy argument.
No, you get what happen. My husband did there with the tea happen. Even Mama Kevin did there with the come out.
Now, me no want tell you since. Now Frank they hire you before. Frank they hire you.
Now my godfather now before.
They hire you. Frank they hire you.
Me we not the wear clothes.
No. They hire you. Okay, Frankie, who down on Babena.
If you even think that kind of thing for me.
He can't. He look and say, you not be that type. You not be that.
No.
You not close to anything like that.
No, you know what happened for there? Me, I not think
No. Because you do with a man now. You do with a man.
Me, I don't want to something. Get what I want. For me to know what I talk. I take her as my father. You understand? Since that day, we they take come. And that day, my husband say, you know, go agree me this people they come. My mom would they do godfather for far distance.
You see, okay. You see now.
So, now I come ask her and say, why?
Okay.
You say me and my father they do godfather for the fast distance. That time I just see like I see take her as my daddy, you understand? So the thing come and break quarrel. After the next day, I been not take her personal before. Me and my husband be one quarrel for the issue. So now the next day, I be 2 days of it, Mama can't call me. As he can't call me, now he can't tell me say, we call your house. We don't call house. Your husband not even call us. Say, bro, so now thank you. Thank you. We appreciate what you do. How this kind of thing. Say my husband not your call. Now Mama Kevin, now they talk so. He say, I be your husband the verse. You understand?
Why no verse?
No, you get not be to come visit, not be.
No, because what if I do where your husband not lie?
Yes, my life from Victor, where called they ask me say, I be your husband the verse. I say, for waiting one verse for. You understand? Now I ask her that question, so for what? So now therefore no say my husband was asked something because me was carried away. My papa, my daddy, you understand? But me was carried away, but I don't know say my husband
Observe as a gamin.
Gama, now Mama Kevin make me can't even go the think.
Say,
before my husband come to this kind of thing, that means Mama Kevin, something did the man. You understand? So when you get, I don't want to talk. My husband say, if that part where they take on our house, he say he want me in the house. If I talk, I said that me in the remember then. Say, Mama Kevin, you not call me, say, call, say, you not come off our house, I not call you, you not thank you. Because me and Steph, I not receive anything.
A godfather, no, a godmother, this one. Ye was so over. Or some ye was half away. Oh, we essay set. Oh, essay set. Essay set because if they look for lady like this before. Nine. As you be so, as you just still be so. Na Frank or Moswell dream before. All those that is not be the day no guess. That is no guess like that. Now it be Frank dream before. But based on in not reach hand. Now be Frank take go die for Mama Kevin household. He go say run no. Frank goes still or man. They know Frank too old. Who say iyo thickness. Now be Frank odo. Forget say Frank by just the dance for video.
Frank Victor not be my spec now. Frank Victor no go for big fire. No, that I'm not even in that area. No, I'm not gonna here. Forget say with the quarry. You understand? For normal ground,
As you see for okay, wait to as Frank reach on a house. That leg, that big. How you feeling? How you?
Oh, tebu. You can be better so here. No, or that's all they would say. No, etokpusha. If you see it from mouth, waga kounu, it na short teeth, no, be like all this gamma teeth.
It's a gabo teeth.
You know na, it too short. It too. As when I said that, I said no na. When you even they talk yesterday, I say you see person who even they talk say not be my swear. From it or too old to me for my land, I'm going to call daddy because I never put all that kind of thing every day my bed or
that is that he leg that he bege where one face where the other one face that he bege.
Opanare kanu, opanare sokoto, nyawa mudia. Where was you now? Nyana where Arisco, Benata, the leg, the coin, no say where they want to burn at that, go put their leg like this. The real Franco Mozoga, you opanare can opanare kutum.
Jibia Muja,
yeah, one mudia, the tuni way, the tuni.
Oh, the Kubi.
Oh, Kubi. Oh, we no one, they don't know what we know, no one da. No, not a glass of money after evening.
I pass one.
Liquidate one, I pass one, oh, yeah, liquidate.
Also, another glass, yao, and I show a face.
That's all face. Well, show face. If you want to know whether it be now liquidate, now liquidate. If you want to know if you carry yourself, go back. If you not carry camera, face yourself way. Like you not near camera. You not near camera. If you go, if the camera go far from her, you go say na liquidate. Na it be.
Okay, that make the near camera.
Yes, exactly.
Because me no say you no go fit stand because me no say that he lay that he big you no fit stand for your eyes now sit down you go sit down.
Yeah, total. Even when me sit down for myself, I tell they do live video. My leg not the real ground. Okay, that show which they do live video. I swear.
Yes, sit down, pull leg not is down. What you know say about the media?
Oh no, say you know say no what do me for. Oh, me what they watch video ni what watch no there with my children na what did they say what he call her? You get what he call?
No, he say there be special children.
He said there be special to make they breaky. They be ni view me la dia.
Yeah, no.
You want contact,
Yeah, no. Yeah, your mom.
He say tell your wife, say me, your wife, no, they call me, say, me with their house arrest, they never talk my case, and they see they investigate me, my phone, they under police control. That is what, but you stupid. I saw one call analyze that video for you, me, you see, As you told the world, but you can't come my house when you know say camera. They my front of my house. Even they my domot. And you want content. You just the talk trash yesterday. I say, oh, these people, DJ got one make asty people, you see this man finish totally. Even people where would they gather they carry picking, they go school. They know say I not get special.
No, match it. He say why in get those pan? Why in get those pan?
I say people for asty they don't see
yeah.
I don't want me to happy where.
All those people we don't city. Where they look at giddy me before.
Giddy. Now me they make they even they meet they look on like they look on that kind they get pound they happy useless woman all this kind of thing. You know how they go.
Wuna be wa dele now ga jo. You can match it of it when ya.
Where wa me na
we na kinani ya. Way from woman house to woman house. What are me from woman house to woman house? Woman house. Or we let the same thing. We met him now. We have no pay go back to boy.
You know why Mama can agree for her because Mama can receive man with not the service side again. And you know what? Get what when for me of seeing this man in all the line
at all. Now make you see all those lady. Where he follow before you see Mama Kevi. Anyone stay? No one stay now. He they just say for ground. You know guy now. You know guy. Now Zwana. You know guy. If they just say for Facebook, they'll say yeah. If they just reach there, they'll say now this one.
I swear when me you see the first thing you know say me. If me the observe guy, now tit I go they look.
They tit your shorty. Is a gabo tit.
The tea I say Jesus. Now say they fit each other, sha.
So okay for your man, you can say this one you're good for this day.
They are two fit each other. Ozwamu.
Ozwamu.
Iye-eki ati bien bi ozwo.
Ijeni Oswanya abie de to seti bie Frank get low spam iye-eki you don't have monopause.
He say your name for TikTok follow the now you take the thought on so.
And I take the yes so now just follow on. Just click on. May you follow. Mona follow our page. Mona follow this TikTok so that you go okay, but you feel do life now. Yeah, you feel do life, but let's say you know feel bring people up.
No, I feel bring people up now. Why not?
Okay.
Yes,
you don't reach now.
Now almost about 70,000 followers now I get.
Now you get
7,000.
7,000, Because he they just see. Hello, yeah.
So the reason why not they bring there up because of my husband.
Yes, yeah.
My husband there around all this kind of thing. But today, he gave me a dead bay. May I give the light and may I above that? Ask me how you the talk now. Me cloth why I saw for grounds yesterday. Then me I the so called down this morning I can wash her. As my husband you wake up 3:30. As you come on now begin the way me that one. My bag me up for me here. May they wake up make above them may they eat. May I who
yes. This woman. This now woman be this. If me. Hello.
You don't want to talk. You don't force them.
But tonight I just say I want to talk just now.
Okay, I don't know.
Hello.
You know, some people they like to they call up. They don't want to talk.
Hello. I don't drop on.
I tell you, no. They know they like to talk, but they want you the G's, the list, all this kind of thing. You understand? No. Many this woman to talk. I protect this woman, but he husband.
See if you are still talking. That time. See if you are talking now. See if you are still talking now. Where see if you are where you tell see if you are do saga. That one still talking. Say
talk too much.
Mama can talk too much.
This matter for not escalate rich like this. And this matter for not big rich like this, you understand? What it cost me, they protect myself. And they like me, they follow person. The person will trust me. If you don't say that, I say, I thought this thing. the person will fit deny for me. So no, not be a set all this thing.
Yes.
You understand me? So that was where I was trying to protect. Made this Omozo, not they feel all this thing. Okay, you make settlement with me with DJ Goods. It no work. You understand? He try. My husband cause can make him play along because I tell her say I no go fit make settlement with DJ Goods. You understand? But he tried to do the settlement. But based on that, that day be our first day where he come visit us. No, not disrespect him.
Disrespect him, yes.
So that is the reason why I lock off for the whole issue.
Okay,
so
where he come your house? Now settlement, he tell you say he can't do.
No, now surprise.
Okay, surprise.
Me. Now he wife and my husband, my planner.
Now he can't yet. He can't the video.
He can't the video because my husband, the almost will tell my husband.
You will see betrayer.
He say make him not tell me say me they come. You understand? Say they want pay me surprise visit. If we sleep, now sleep with the sleep. Even if he even post one video yesterday, self when my pikin not wear anything. If you understand.